Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Snem habakran chekila pathai khubor menta kasi ka khatnyo trek unairor arja khusan halor ka jingkhla no I hybrid in sapira ibashang basa hanongra ulay tho ba ukhna uba khatlai Snem ka karta ula thok ba Thaw Khana halor ka jingyo Ïong ya ka kali Scorpio ka Ïong bat ka jingdon ki brio ki bala deng da kamas halor ka ni uba Vivek Snem ulaong bahadian ka jing tokit na ute ukhna uba khatlai Snem la shem ba ulay lam ya I hybrid in sapira sha ka te ka Ïong ka badang shna uba Vivek ula batay ru bala lap ru ba I hybrid ilangam jilop henre ka jing tokit kadang yat la kani ka de ka jing thmu ka bala don lupa la ni ka ba shubakla katkum ka jing thu jong ute ukhna ubadang khalai Snem la ong baha ka jing shaptiang namar ka jing ya wat shnong ka jing bitar halor ka jing ja jong I hybrid uni ukhna ula shuthau no ya ka Khana ba ula yo I ya ka kali Scorpio Rong Ïong haringkat ka jing don ki brio ki badeng ya kamas habakali pat halor ka jingdon ki bayo I ka kali Scorpio ka Ïong halat maureng bat ka Maruti van hapenden so saw na kalyang uba Vivek Snem uloong ba kani baro ka de ka jingdon ya ka social media ha ka ba ki brio ki lasdang manchna ya ki Khana henre wat lagat taru ka jing tokit halor kini ki jingja baro kidang yai beteng la ka de ne kam de ka ba shisha.
These are the facts I'm saying. We have not come to a conclusion whether it's also accidental or homosexual now. We are saying the facts that yes, this boy is there to take this girl to that place. There's a case of drowning, but it merits more investigation whether there's a motive or not out there.
So what led that boy to narrating that story?
He saw that everybody had come out, everybody was livid, they were angry, they were. Then he, just a distraction, he made up the story of this black Scorpio and masked men without anything.
And with his makeup stories and more makeup stories coming out, that some Scorpios, black Scorpios in Maureen and some Maruti van in Mauba. Those cases.
See, that is a pattern which is very disturbing in fact now, because with social media and all that, people can easily come up with a story also. Of course, these claims are being inquired right now. Our officers and teams are inquiring whether these claims are true or not. But this pattern of coming up suddenly after this case of children, and also you see the pattern is when they are going to school or whether they're going for tuitions, that somebody is trying to abduct them is disturbing, and it also we require to find out whether it is true or not. The veracity of these claims need to be inquired.
I have these cases registered.
Been just reported today. Most of them have been reported suddenly today. A number of them being reported everywhere today. So they're being inquired. If there is anything which is concrete and which is actually the veracity is true, then we will register a case.